Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add a new section to your Microsoft Forms for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. Can be for work, school, or business. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Then go to all applications, explore all the applications, go to forms. Let's go to all my forms. Now let's click on the form that we have been working on, and within, as you can see, we already have a question. Let's just remove the next section as we are trying to add a new section. Add new. We can add a choice, text, rating, date, ranking, Likert, file upload. Let's just click on rating. So the question would be, rate my channel Computer Science Videos from 1 to 5 stars. We can choose a level. Change 5 to 9. Let's just keep it as star. There you go. So let's now share this with the admin again, people in the organization. Let's just click on the link, go all the way onto the dock, go to Chrome, go to office.com, Command V to paste. Do you watch my videos? Yes, I do. Rate Computer Science Videos out of 9. I'll just give that 9 stars. Submit. Thanks. The response was submitted. Quit Google Chrome. Go back to Safari. And there we have some responses. 2 responses. Average time to complete 10 seconds. Active. Here are the results. Yes twice and 9 stars once. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.